Hello Red Devils, MUFC Religion here, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can see here, Anthony Martial, he's tweeted this at 3:31 AM. Obviously I was sleeping so I couldn't go over it, but I've just seen it and it gives me so much happiness. It says Les rumeurs sont fausses, and what that translates to is rumors are wrong, and I've obviously got the red badge here. So there's been a lot of speculation with Anthony Martial leaving Manchester United. There was speculation that Arsene Wenger is readying up a £40 million bid for Anthony Martial. Should he fail to sign Mbappe? Obviously, he's not going to sign Mbappe. Mbappe would be stupid to go Arsenal. And Anthony Martial, obviously, he was not going to leave Manchester United. We know that Martial loves Man United. We know that Mourinho respects Martial. Mourinho trusts Martial. It's just down to Martial to perform next season. And I do believe Martial will be amazing next season. So rumours are wrong. He has tweeted this, and that's amazing because he's come out and he's stopped all speculation from further, building up regarding, him leaving the club. He's gonna stay at Manchester United, and that brings me so much happiness because Martial, I love him. I love Martial. He can be amazing for us, and it's just whether he just needs more game time, and I think Mourinho will provide him with that next season. There have been a lot of Twitter people saying that Mourinho has ruined him, playing him left wing, but Van Gaal started him playing him there, not Mourinho. But anyway, Anthony Martial, rumours are wrong. He's got the red badge for Manchester United, obviously. So he's staying at Manchester United. That's the latest update on Anthony Martial. So please like, subscribe. It's been MUFC Religion, and I'll see you guys later.